Okay, quick introduction to SSH.
Yeah.
Using the Aussie account on the computer Montevideo, we should log into a computer called Remote Juneday SE, and we should not log in with my name. Aussie, by the way, is celebrating his 70th birthday today, so congrats. You made my life so much better. Anyhow, we can log into this computer, assuming that the computer exists and I have an account there, of course.
Yeah.
I cannot log into any computer without any account.
So if you do SSH and then a computer name, it tries to log in with your user.
Yeah.
The same user as you are on your local machine, on the remote machine. So in this case, Aussie.
Yeah. So I can log in. I'm now on the computer. Somehow, it may be troublesome to give a password. For example, if you're using Git, every time you want to do a push, you have to specify a password.
Yeah.
So you might want to use a key for that. And you can generate a key using the keygen command. You don't have to supply any arguments to this, just press enter. This is a perfect place to put the key in. So press enter. I want an empty passphrase, and yeah, sure, I want an empty passphrase. And then I have a key created for me. It's located in the directory called SSH. It has two parts, as you can see. There's one file called id._rsa and one with .pub.
Yeah.
And this is because SSH uses public key encryption. So there's one public key and there's one private key. No matter what you do, don't ever give away the private key. But this key here can be copied to computers or like github.com, publish it somewhere.
On your web page, it's safe because this is the non-secret part of the encryption.
Yeah. Okay. You might and you might not have a config file and a known hosts file here. Never mind. So I have a couple of key. I have one key here. So say that I want to transfer this key to remote juneday.se. I issue the command SSH copy ID, and it's going to ask a couple of questions like my passwords, and then it's going to say, okay, I'm fine. So now, okay, I have a password on the remote computer.
Yep.
But I installed using the SSH copy ID my public key there. So I should be able to SSH into that computer without any password.
Yep.
Okay? Ta-da! And I'm in.
Okay, you can show them maybe where the public key ended up on this side.
Because it's important now that I'm on the remote computer.
You're on the remote Juneday, blah blah.
Yep. Here's a file called authorized keys. So authorized keys contains all the public keys that I've like copied. So here's a public key from Aussie at Montevideo.
And on Montevideo you have the corresponding private key.
Let's log out from this remote computer. And then we can compare the content of these files. So it's the same key. So basically what the SSH copy ID command did was copy my file, the content into this file.
Yeah. And
okay.
I recommend that you use the copy ID, copy key. What was the name of the
copy ID? I always forget, but
copy ID command, because it sets up everything with the correct permissions.
Yeah, sure.
If you do this manually, you're going to have tons of problems. So just use the copy ID command.
So bye for now.
Bye bye.